Hey guys, it's Alex. I'm gonna show you a Zippo trick. So you get a basic Zippo like this, and of course I don't want you to break your Zippo, so you should not attempt any of these tricks because they might I don't know. So here's the trick. Basic Zippo, there we go. Pants, there we go. So the trick is you simply bring it down your legs, pants, whatever. You open it and then you flick back, as you saw. I'm gonna try it again. You bring your leg, whatever, arms will do, whatever stuff will do. So here's the trick. There we go. So that's a nice trick. I hope you guys like it, and be safe and take care. Bye.